Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. And first let us see what happened last week. The previous week, Nifty from 14,900, it went all the way to 14,260. It was a fall of nearly 650 points. But last week, that entire loss has been recovered. And Nifty closed around 14,900 last week. And last week was a truncated week. There were only 3 trading sessions. And the global cues continue to be good. And last Friday was a good Friday. It's a holiday all over the world. But last Thursday, the US markets closed significantly higher. And in fact, S&P 500 for the first time crossed 4,000. And then on Friday, the US jobs data, which is a very, very important data, which comes on first Friday of every month. And it said that US added 916K new jobs in the economy. And this is much better than expected. And this is the last 7-month high. And SGX Nifty, in fact, crossed 15,000 in Singapore. And it is likely to cross 15,000 tomorrow. And the Asian markets are likely to be in green. That's because the US markets closed firmly in green, and then on top of which the US jobs data was very, very good. And our downturn, that means from 15,450, the Nifty fell all the way nearly 1,200 points, and now recovering, and now it has recovered more than 2/3 of the losses. And then the next logical one is 100% retracement. So that means once the Nifty crosses 15,000, sooner or later we can expect Nifty to test 15,450. Of course, it's not going to happen in the next few days, but it may take some time. And the important thing for the next week is the RBI policy on Wednesday. And in fact, in the last few weeks, the Bank Nifty has been underperforming. And once it was started outperforming, then the news about HDFC Bank came, and then HDFC Bank fell, and again its banking stocks has gone for underperformance. So who knows, this RBI policy may change that. But other than that, nobody is expecting anything from RBI, and most probably RBI will maintain status quo, which means that there will be no increase or decrease in the interest rates. But it will be interesting to see the comments by the Reserve Bank Governor. So other than that, usual manufacturing PMI data, services PMI data will be coming from most countries. And in fact, many countries are closed on Monday. So only few countries are open, but we are open. And there's not much activity next week. But however, the following week, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Mindtree, HDFC Bank. So these are the companies that are set to declare results. So therefore, the companies that are set to declare results the following week and the next week already, the speculative positions will be added. So the expectation right now, the general expectation is that the IT companies will declare very good results. Of course, we don't know how much that has already been factored in. If you look at Infosys, in the last 6 months it has almost doubled. And most of the IT stocks are the same thing. They are all trading almost at 52-week high, or in fact all-time high. So we have to wait and see how the results. If the results are good, then by next week we can expect Nifty to touch 15,450. One good thing about last week is that the India VIX has come down below 20. And in fact, last Thursday was the second trading day in the whole of 2021 when India VIX closed below 20. So going forward, the markets may not make a very big move during the next 1 week, and the option premiums are very, very low. And by looking at the option open interest, I'm expecting Nifty to trade between 14,500 and 15,200 for the next 1 week. So let us see how the market opens tomorrow and how the positions are being built. And as I always say, in the longer period of time, I'm bullish, and the markets can correct, and bull market corrections are fast and furious. And we have seen many times the Nifty correcting more than 1,000 points. But the maximum I've seen the correction is only 1,200 points. During the January last week, the Nifty corrected 1,200 points, then recovered and to scale new high. And the same way, in the month of March last week also, we corrected more than 1,200 points. And I think it's exactly around 1,200 points. And then now markets are recovering, and I'm hoping for the next 1 or 2 months, the markets will be scaling a new high. So that's it for now. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.